Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to add shadows to the eyes like on my Ock. First open Gacha Club and press Default Boy for an easy start. Select an eye of your choice. Adjust it and add additional detail smiley face. Press Close Face Accessory Top and select the eyeshadow. Adjust it to fit your eye like shown here. Go back and change the color to the same as your eyelash. For example, if the eyelashes were black, the shadow would also be black. If you don't like how the black shadow looks, choose the darkest version of your eye color. Now add this thing. Change it to an orange color. Move it so it is only slightly visible. Here is the final result. Comment what you think.